Hello students, how are you all? Once again, I welcome you all to our English online class part 3. Unit 17, The Maze. Lesson number 3, Theseus and the Minotaur. You can see this chapter in our textbook, Oxford Progressive English, page number 86 and 87. I request all of you please open the textbook page number 86. Here you can see unit 17 lesson number 3 Theseus and the Minotaur. This is a story it's happened years ago in ancient Greece. Are you excited to hear the story? Yes, I know. Before starts this story, I would like to teach you some important words from this chapter. The first word is maze. I explained this word in our first video. Maze means a complex system of pathways. Number 2, Theseus. Theseus was a king, a mythological king who lived in ancient Greece. The third word is Minotaur, a monster which has the body of man and head of a bull. The next word is Crete, is a place name, one of the largest islands in Greece. The next word is King Minos, king of ancient Crete. The sixth word is a girl named Ariadne, daughter of King Minos. The next word is hoof. Hoof is the animal body part, hard part of the bottom of the feet of animals. You can see hooves with horse, camel, cattle, and wild animals like zebra, giraffe, etc. The next word is horn, one of the hard bony growth on the head of many animals. Examples: cattle, sheep, deer, etc. Can anyone say the animal with only one horn? Please raise your hands. Yes, you are right, rhinoceros. It has only one horn. The next word is unwind. Unwind means uncoil, unfold or unroll. I hope all of you understood all these 9 words and its meanings. Now we are going to learn the story. Are you ready? Yes. Read the story and answer these questions. There are 2 questions for you. The first one is, where did Theseus go? The second one is, in which order did he find these things? There are 4 things given below. The first one is a ball of thread, a minotaur, a ship, a maze. Keep these 2 questions and 4 pictures in your mind. Once we finish the story, you should answer these questions. Are you ready? Yes, good. Thank you. Here we start. Theseus lived in ancient Greece. Theseus was a mythological king. When he was young, he asked his father, the king, what is the most dangerous monster in the whole world? The Minotaur, his father replied. It lives on the island of Crete. It has the body of a man and head and feet of a bull. Its horns are as sharp as knives. Its hooves can kill a man with one kick. And it only eats humans. Children, these are the features and descriptions about Minotaur. It's too scary. It has the body of man and the head and feet of a bull. It has sharp horns and hooves. Let's continue. 10 years later, when Theseus was a young man of 22 years old, he asked his father why he was looking so sad. Because we have to send 7 young men and women to the island of Crete. There they will die. The Minotaur will kill them and eat them. His father replied. Does this happen every year? Asked Theseus. This is the 3rd year. And it makes me very sad, replied his father. First, tell me the story of the Minotaur, father, and then let me go as one of the young men so that I can kill the Minotaur. Here Theseus took permission from his father to go to the Crete and kill the Minotaur. The king began his story. 4 years ago, there was a battle between the city of Athens and the island of Crete. Athens is the capital city of Greece. It is the largest city of Greece also. The battle between Athens and the island of Crete. The son of King Minos of Crete was killed. So, King Minos has said that in order to pay for his death, the king of Athens must send 7 strong Athenian men and 7 beautiful women every year to be fed to the Minotaur. Now, what happened? Theseus and the other young Athenian reached Crete after many days on their ship. There he met King Minos' daughter Ariadne, and they became friends. Theseus told Ariadne about his plan to kill the Minotaur. But the Minotaur lives in a huge maze, whispered Ariadne. You will get lost in the maze. How can I help you? You must take this ball of thread and unwind it when you go through the maze. Then you will be able to find your way out by following the thread. Now, what happened the next? Theseus entered into the dark maze and started to unwind the thread. Soon, he heard the frightening roars of the Minotaur. As he walked, the roars grew louder and louder. Finally, in the center of the maze, Theseus stood face to face with the huge monster. Its breath felt hot like a fire. The Minotaur stamped on the ground with his heavy hooves. The Minotaur walked round and round. Suddenly, Theseus attacked it. He pushed his sword deep into the side of the Minotaur, who roared loudly. But Theseus stood firm until the Minotaur fell over dead. Theseus wiped his sword clean, turned round and followed the thread back to the entrance to the maze. Ariadne was waiting at the gate. As Theseus came out of the maze, he cried, "The Minotaur is dead! The Minotaur is dead!" Students, here is the end of the story. I hope all of you understood this story. Now, I would like to ask the above questions. Are you ready? Yes. Where did Theseus go? Where did Theseus go? How many of you know the answer? Raise your hands. Yes, good. Theseus went to Crete. Why he went there? Yes, he went there to kill the dangerous monster Minotaur. The next question is, in which order did he find these things? Students, when we read this story, we noticed here Theseus and his friends Crete after many days on their ship. They reached the Crete after many days on their ship. So, ship come first. After that, what happened? They met Ariadne, daughter of Minos. Then they became friends. She gave a ball of thread to Theseus. So, the ball of thread is the second picture. Then the next one, what happened? After that, Theseus and his team, they went to the maze. So, maze is the third one. Then finally what happened? Once they enter into the maze, they heard the roaring sound of Minotaur. After that, in the center of the maze, they met this Minotaur face to face. So, what is the order? First, a ship. Then a ball of thread. After that, a maze, then a minotaur. I hope all of you understood these answers. Students, please read this story twice and share this story with your family. Students, now we are going to do exercise number 2, page number 87. Read the story again and choose the correct answers. I request you all, please take your pencil and write down the correct answers. Look at the slides. Here you can see this exercise. Read story again and choose the correct answers. The first question is, Theseus went to Crete dash. There are 3 options. The first one is to meet Ariadne. Second one, to kill the Minotaur. The last one is to talk to King Minos. So what is the answer? Theseus went to Crete to kill the Minotaur. B is the correct answer. Students, I request you all, please write the correct answer. It's on blank place. The next question is, dash from Athens travel with Theseus. Dash from Athens travel with Theseus. You have 3 choices. The first one is 7 men and 7 women, 14 men and women. The last one is 6 men and 7 women. So what is the answer? Along with Theseus, there were 6 men and 7 women travel. Yes, so C is the answer. Now question number 3. How did Ariadne help Theseus? She dash. How did Ariadne help Theseus? She dash. There are 2 options. The first one is took him to the maze, took him out of the maze, gave him a ball of thread. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, the last one. Gave him a ball of thread. The next question is, Theseus first dashed the Minotaur, then dashed it. There are 2 blanks. You have 3 options. The first one is smelt and heard. Second one, heard and saw. The last one, saw and heard. So, once we read the story, we understood Theseus first heard the roaring sound of Minotaur. Then they met face to face. The answer is second one. Theseus first heard the Minotaur, then saw it. The last one is, Theseus killed the Minotaur with dash. Theseus killed the Minotaur with dash. His sword, his hoofs, his horns. Theseus was king, so he killed with his sword. Theseus killed the Minotaur with his sword. I request all of you, please write the answer. It's on plate. Now students, let's move on with our next exercise, exercise number 3. Complete the description of the Minotaur with words from the story. Complete the description of the Minotaur with words from the story. The first one is, it had the dash of a man. It had the body of a man. Write the answer, body. Number 2, it had the head of a dash. It had the head of a bull. Yes. The next question is, on its head, it had 2 sharp dash. On its head, it had 2 sharp horns. Now, the fourth question, it had 4 strong dash that stamped the ground. It had 4 strong hooves that stamped the ground. Please write the correct spelling. The next question is, it was dangerous because its horns were very dash. It was dangerous because its horns were very sharp like knife. The answer is sharp like knife. I request all of you, please write the correct answers. It's on place. Students, our school uploaded the notes, all the notes of this chapter in the website. So please copy all the notes in our notebook. I hope all of you understood the story. I request all of you, please read the story twice or thrice and share this wonderful story with your family and your brothers and friends. And don't forget to copy the notes in your notebook. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.